Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to record phone calls on Android. So the process is very simple and very easy. You can find a lot of apps in the Google Play Store by which you can record your calls on your Android mobile phone. I am opening my Google Play Store. After it opens, simply type here automatic call recorder. Now download any of these which you like the most. But for me, I will prefer always use your own mobile phone call recorder because these application might be danger for your Android mobile phone. Because Android mobile phone always has their own call recorder. Let me show you how can you record your call on your Android mobile phone. Simply open your mobile phone dialer. Now let's make a call like I am making. So as you see, here is the option record. When the other person will answer your call, then record button will be appear. Like, so as you see, now you can record your call from here. When you will tap on this one, now the recording has been started on my Android mobile phone. So by this way, you can record your all calls on your Android mobile phone without using any additional app.